Here we are in the space dedicated to power tools, the big work who belongs to Helga de Alvear collection. This work is about the tools. To me, it's important that you understand, for me, art is a tool to encounter the world, confront reality, confront the time I'm living in today. I always understood art as a tool, and therefore this is the work I wanted to manifest my interest on tools. There are a lot of elements. It's important because there are a lot of tools possible. There are books, philosophy, writings, poetry can be a tool to understand the world and a tool to be confronted to the time we are living in. But there are also other tools, like for example here, the Swiss Army knife sometimes offers so much solutions, with 68 solutions. In this work, it is also about different aspects of tools and different ways to use them, like here, for example, to write with a nail, we can write phrases. Of course, it's important also in the work to let the dimensions, let them function. And also, of course, there is the possibility in using a tool to express a problematic or a problem. And therefore, I'm happy here to show in this work how a tool can be used. I just want to show concretely one of the integrated videos who shows also the use of a tool in a kind of competition. I wanted to interrogate the sense, of course, of the use of the tool here. Finally, the fifth work here is the Power Tools workshop. This is, again, a site-specific work I wanted to offer in order that somebody can, in this part of the exhibition, use the tools. We have tools, colors, we have books, and people can use the books to read. They can use the chairs to sit, to discuss, or to having a rest. With this workshop, I wanted to think about the possibility we have as a human being. We have tools, we have our hands, we have our brain, we have our soul to do something, to intervene, and to be active, and to produce something.